Are you ready to dive into the captivating world of Turkish dramas, where love often begins with a twist of fate? Today, we present the top 10 forced marriage Turkish drama series that lead to heartwarming happy endings. And guess what? If you're new to Turkish dramas, you can enjoy these series with English subtitles. Let's begin. At number 10, we have Fatmagil'in Sukune. Its English name is What is Fatmagil's Fault? Fatmagil, a young woman from a coastal village, dreams of marrying her fiancé, Mustafa. However, her life takes a tragic turn when she is assaulted by a group of men, including Kerim, who is coerced into participating. To cover up the crime, Kerim is forced to marry Fatmagil. As they navigate the challenges of their unwanted union, genuine feelings begin to blossom. Will Fatmagil find it in her heart to forgive Kerim? At number 9, we have Hırkay. Its English name is Innocent Love. Reyhan, the cherished granddaughter of the Adolu family, falls for Miran, a man with a hidden vendetta against her family. Unbeknownst to Reyhan, Miran's plan involves marrying her to exact revenge. But as love intertwines with revenge, Miran finds himself torn between his feelings and his mission. Can love truly conquer all, or will past grievances prevail? At number 8, we have Siyah Beyaz Aşk. Its English name is Price of Passion. Asıl, a dedicated doctor, crosses paths with Farhat, a cold-blooded hitman with a troubled past. When Asıl witnesses something she shouldn't have, Farhat is ordered to kill her. Instead, circumstances force them into a marriage neither desires. As they confront their contrasting worlds, unexpected emotions emerge. Can two people from such different paths find common ground? At number 7, we have Gizli Saklı. Its English name is Secret Hidden. Naz and Pamir, two undercover cops, are assigned to infiltrate a criminal organization by posing as a married couple. While their partnership starts strictly professional, the facade of marriage blurs the lines between duty and genuine affection. As they delve deeper into their mission, will their pretend relationship evolve into something real? At number 6, we have Yusi Kezit Kardeş. Its English name is Three Sisters. The series follows the lives of three sisters, Turkan, Doniz, and Derya, each with their own dreams and challenges. Turkan's arranged marriage to Sama, a man indifferent to her, sets the stage for a tumultuous relationship. As they navigate misunderstandings and external pressures, love slowly finds its way into their hearts. Can their union withstand the tests of time and adversity? At number 5, we have Kin Sayıskları. Its English name is Vendetta. In a bid to end a long-standing family feud, Dil and Baran are forced into marriage. While the union aims to bring peace, both harbor resentment and distrust. However, as they confront shared challenges and uncover family secrets, their animosity begins to fade. Will their marriage, born out of necessity, transform into one of love? At number 4, we have Safir. Its English name is Sapphire. Safir tells the story of a young woman who, due to family pressures, marries a man she barely knows. Initially, their relationship is strained, filled with misunderstandings and unmet expectations. But as they spend time together, they discover shared values and dreams. Can their arranged marriage turn into a genuine love story? At number 3, we have Kendi Düzen Almaz. Its English name is You Can't Cry on Your Own. Elaz, a spoiled young woman, finds herself in an arranged marriage with a man who challenges her selfish ways. Through a series of comedic and heartfelt events, Elaz learns the true meaning of love and partnership. Will this unlikely pair find happiness together? At number 2, we have Gelsin Hayat Bildiği Gibi. Its English name is Let Life Come As It Knows. Sadi, a man with a troubled past, starts anew as a teacher in a high school, where he meets Songül, a dedicated police officer. Their paths cross unexpectedly, leading to a series of events that bind them together. As they confront their pasts and embrace new beginnings, will they find love in the most unexpected place? These series beautifully depict how love can emerge from the most unexpected circumstances, turning forced situations into heartfelt unions. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Turkish drama recommendations. See you in the next video.